To create a shutdown icon, right-click on your desktop. Hover over New and then select Shortcut. In the text box under Type the location of the item, type the following command. Click Next. In the next window, type a name for your new shortcut if you want. Shutdown is the default. Click Finish to finish the setup process. Your new shutdown icon will appear on your desktop. You can change the icon from the shortcut to be more expressive. Just right-click the shortcut and click on Properties. Here, click on Change Icon. Select an icon and press OK. Then press Apply. Now, whenever you double-click the icon, your PC will shut down instantly.
If this was useful, please thumbs up, share and subscribe, as this will help me a lot. Thank you. Bye bye.